We know that because of the pollution in our environment, the oxygen level in our air is dropping on a yearly basis. If we think about it, the main sources of oxygen in nature is trees. And because of deforestation, the trees are cut down at such a rate that the quality of the ozone in the air is actually falling year on year on year. So if we don't have sufficient oxygen in our air, our bodies currently can't function at optimum levels.
Oxygen is such an important part of our cell respiration that I do think that we actually need more oxygen than that we're getting in today.
Oxygen is the most critical element required to sustain health and well-being.
Oxygen is probably the most important part of life. The cell in the body, any cell, can't survive without oxygen. We can live without food for days, we can live without water for a shorter period, but we'll also survive. Without oxygen, it's going to be a few minutes and the cells will die and the damage will be irreversible. So oxygen is life.
Bacteria, especially viruses, they breed in an anaerobic environment. That means in an environment without oxygen. So when you bring in oxygen into an environment, it makes it difficult for virus to stay alive. And therefore cancer also is an anaerobic state of disease. And cancer breeds in absence of oxygen. So when there's oxygen in the system, life comes back, the body can recover, we can overcome disease, and your mind can think clearly.
In 1932, Professor Otto Warburg of Germany received a Nobel Prize because he proved a lack of oxygen